you should say that a dasha tells you, gives you a pattern in which things activate one after another. It is like, atom bomb. One reaction leading to multiple chain reactions is what happens in the dasha. Dashas can be categorized into multiple types. Based on the uses, there can be three types of dasha. Falit dasha, which will only be used to predict events, and for nothing else. Ayur dasha, which will only be used to predict longevity, nothing else. And a mix of these dashas, which will be used to predict both longevity as well as predictions. Now the dashas can be further divided into multiple more types, right? And there is no foundation, no limitation on divisions or on how many types or how many different types of divisions can be there, right? Having said and done, dashas are generally of three types if you type it by category. One is based on planets, that is generally nakshatra based. But there is also something that is non-nakshatra based, such as Bhavketic and Rashiketic that I taught you in a free class. That is available for YouTube, available on YouTube for free, right? Secondly, the Rashi Dasha. Rashi Dasha is generally based on the ascendant or moon, or can be based on a third factor. Three subdivisions for that as well. The third one will be Bhava based Dasha. What we are going to deal today. Bhava based Dasha. A certain set of bhavas being activated one after another. Right. The fourth set of dasha, I will say it as, I will refer to it as dashas having no fixed basic criteria, like Yogini Dasha. So Yogini Dasha is basically of Yoginis, and you cannot see the Yoginis in the horoscope. So eventually at later times, people clubbed them together, planets and the Yoginis. But as I have always told, that the domain of the planet is so large, and the domain of the deity is so large that they cannot be mixed, neither interlinked nor attached. Right? Asia is very big and cannot be limited to Moon or Mercury or anyone. So, Bhava based Dasha. Let me teach you three things. Write it very, very carefully. What we are discussing now, essentially, is known as Pada Kram Chakra. Comes from Gemini, of course. I will say it is a wrong interpretation by Premanidhi Pandit or Nilkant, whoever you blame. But if the wrong interpretation is working, then working. I don't think it is from Gemini. I think it is from some other system which later got ascribed to Bhrigu. And when we will read Bhrigu, we will see. I always keep on saying that Bhrigu is unauthentic. Then why I am teaching you Bhrigu? The authentic part, according to my experience, is what I am going to teach you. Because the Bhrigu that you have learned till now is unauthentic. Of course, I love my name so much. So don't want to have a black spot on it because I'm teaching something wrong. For the Kram Chakra, for a odd sign, it is direct. For an even sign, it is reverse. That is rule number 1. Odd sign, direct. Even sign, reverse. Direct is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And reverse is 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1 that started from. Right? In the movable sign, it will go directly itself. One after another, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 11, 12, etc. In a fixed sign, it will jump to the sixth sign. Jump to the sixth sign. Jump can be either direct or reverse based on the sign is odd or even. You forget to note something, just drop me a message, right? Chat box is on my left side and I can, like, I'm constantly having an eye over it. Right. For a dual sign, the padakram will go in trine based on the direct and the reverse order. In trine, the direct order will be 1, 5, 9, 2, 6, 10, 3, 7, 11, 4, 8, 12. The reverse order will be 1, 9, 5, 12, 8, 4, 11, 7, 3, and 10, 6, 2. Right, done for one. Now, there is a concept known as Pachak Dasha. It is a concept. Pachak means digestion, Sandhya. It is called Sandhya Pachak. Pachak means digestion. The karma of Rashi is heavy. And it will take 10 years to digest Rashi. One Dasha, one Rashi will be 10 years. Right. Whenever I write a Dasha, let me tell you, I make 4 columns in my copy. Start, direction, duration, basic point, and repeat the same for Antardasha as well. It will give you an easy understanding. Start is the ascendant. Direction, I have just told you. Duration, 10 years each. Now, in this 10 year, you cannot say that your marriage will happen in 10 years. 10 years is a long, long time. So you need what? Division under the 10 years. In almost all the dashas, what they do, that they divide the total duration by 12 because there are 12 signs, or divide the total duration by 9 because there are 9 planets. However, what we will do, let me tell you something right here itself. I can better name it as Shubham Alock Dasha. It is all my understanding of how Bhrigu worked. Right? Any Bhrigu person who wants to contradict, this is my answer, right? It is name it as Shubham, write it as Shubham Alock Dasha, right? That's all. It is given nowhere, it is just my understanding. So it will be Shubham Alock Dasha 2. Shubham Alock Dasha 1 I taught in the Dasha Bheda Course, right? I have 36 Shubham Alock Dasha, right? 36. And counting. 37th I am working upon. Just name it as Shubham Alock Dasha, right? I am still to come with a fancy name. Some Maheshwar Dasha or Shiv Dasha, I will name it. But it is Shubham Alock Dasha essentially, right? All into my mind. That's all. To be very honest with you. Because I don't lie, right? I don't speak a lie. So I should not tell that I found a manuscript sinking in the sea and I saved it and I found it. No, no. It is all into my mind, all into my head. All my understanding of how things will go. Now, for the Antardasha, I will not divide the 10 years into 12. I will divide the 10 years into 10 only. And will leave the 2 years. Right? Now, how the years will be divided further? I will divide it into 10 planets. Which 10 planets? That is an essential question. Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mandi. Remember, Mandi is the 10th planet always. Mandi is very essential, far above all other Putras. Don't forget Mandi. Mandi should be in your basic essential analysis of a horoscope. If you leave Mandi, prediction will leave you. Now, the division will be dynamic. How dynamic? The science students, if you want to checkle, please checkle as below. The planets in Kendra will have the Antardasha first. Anafara followed by that. Apaklima followed by that. For those of you who don't know, 7, 1, 4, 10 is the Kendra. 7, 1, 4, 10 is the Kendra. And the same thing will be followed. So Panafara is 8, 2, 5, and 11. Apaklima is 9, 3, 6, 12. I am taking the basic configuration of 1, 4, 7, 7, 1, 4, 10 and increasing it one by one, right? So the gradation for Apaklima and Panafara also follows the gradation of the Kendra only. One confusion, sir. What if more than one planet is in a sign? The stronger one will come in the starting. The weaker one will take place after him. How do you decide the stronger one? Difficult question. If you look at Bhrigu, you will find that he always gave importance to equal factors. By equal factors, what I mean is Mars will be good in fire signs, followed by earth signs, followed by air signs, followed by water signs, and least in the earth signs. In earth signs, except the Capricorn. So before we go further and start calculating it, let me make you understand something. Have an image of a horoscope in your mind. North Indian preferably, South Indian if you are well versed into it. You know the Digbala position of planets, right? Jupiter and Mercury in the ascendant, Moon and Venus in the 4th, Saturn in the 7th, and Sun and Mars in the 10th. Ketu is like Jupiter, Rahu is like Mercury. Ketu is like Mars and Rahu is like Saturn is only for disease, not for prediction, right? Have it very clear in your mind.
Can you repeat, please?
For predictive purpose, Rahu is like Mercury and Ketu is like Jupiter. For health related things only, Rahu is like Saturn and Ketu is like Mars. Always remember.
नहीं ये नहीं जो आपने वो डाला ना प्लैनेट्स डाले हॉरोस्कोप पे, हॉरोस्कोप में जो प्लैनेट्स डाले हैं.
Mercury and Jupiter Digbala in the ascendant, Moon and Venus Digbala in the 4th house, Saturn in the 7th house, and Sun and Mars in the 10th house. Yes, Vasanji, yes. Vasanji, I was late. He noise. Well. Good. इसका स्लेट का फोटो वसंत जी ग्रुप में प्लीज सेंड कर देंगे आप, तो सबको ऐसा सुविधा रहेगा।
तो इस हिसाब से राहु जो है, राहु और केतु एक ही हाउस में आ जाएंगे, राइट?
अभी टेक्निक पे आएंगे आगे, राहु केतु वाले में आएंगे। राहु केतु में ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वन थिंग, दे विल गिव रिजल्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर डिस्पोजिटर कंजंक्शन एस्पेक्ट, सो दैट इज ऑलवेज डायनामिक एंड स्टैटिक।
सर जैसे मार्स का आपने बताया कि प्रायोरिटी कैसे रहेगा, फायर, एयर।
अभी मैं उसको क्लियर करूंगा अभी।
हाँ जी।
उसमें थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे कर दिया मैंने बोलते हुए, इसलिए मैंने क्लियर ही कर देता हूँ इनको, वरना मैं ऊपर नीचे करूंगा ये भी कर जाएंगे। लेट मी explain you something, following sun and not following sun. When sun in the morning is in the ascendant, and how it goes on, ascendant, 12th house, 11th house, 10th house, so on and so forth. The Digbala is based on Tattva. Jupiter gets Digbala in the ascendant because he is Akash Tattva, prevalent in all the Tattvas. Akash Tattva is a binding Tattva. It is sky. We don't, everyone has sky inside him. That is what Westerners call aura. And I will call बेवकूफ बनाने का सामान. Whatever. So in the ascendant Mercury, the Prithvi Tattva is Digbali. In the 10th house, Sun and Mars, the fire Tattva is Digbali. In the 7th house, Saturn, the air Tattva is Digbali. And in the 4th house, Moon, Venus, the water Tattva is Digbali. There is no Rashi which indicates Akash Tattva, and Akash Tattva is prevalent inside all of them. 4 Rashis will be there. Next sign, next Tattva in the direction of Sun is friendly. Next Tattva in the direction of Sun is friendly. Previous direction, the previous Tattva in the opposite direction of the Sun is neutral. Just the opposite Tattva is the enemy. And the same Tattva should be regarded as exaltation. Exaltation is very, very good. Whenever I write very, very good in word, he will put a red line below that and he will tell me this remove the repeated word, right? So very, very good, extremely good. For any planet, whenever you want to find, and this is, this is what, how much the planet supports his significations. This is the answer to Venus and Capricorn should give you a Venus and Capricorn should give you a girlfriend or not. Use this table and tell me. And in which sign Venus should not give you a girlfriend? Venus in Capricorn. Capricorn will be the Earth Tattva, right?
Yes.
It is just the next in the direction of the Sun. So Capricorn one will have. Of course, will have. Virgo one will also have. And Taurus one will also have. Who is not going to have the opposite one? The Venus in Aries, the Venus in Sagittarius, the Venus in Leo. I should not use the word girlfriend. I should use the word हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में. इनको नहीं मिलता. They can be into love marriage, no problem. But after the marriage, the love is not there. Evaporates. That is what happens when you put boiling water into 100 degrees Celsius, right? Evaporates. This is the basic criteria which we will always use to see whether the planet supports his basic significations or not. We will never forget it. So to decide between which one of the two planets will have predominance, we will use this, right? Written everything. Mridula ji, I will go to the charts and will calculate it, है ना? So it will be. दो तीन एग्जांपल दिए बिना तो कैसे ही छोड़ूं यहाँ पर तो मैं ना, क्योंकि मुश्किल है थोड़ा सा, तो हल्के से आराम से. तो I will now what I will do, I will take some examples of people from the class. One past result I will justify, one future result they have to. I want participation from both the sides. Your background should be silent. तो बैकग्राउंड को थोड़ा सा साइलेंट रखेंगे. चार्ट्स होंगे कुछ दिन पहले भी मांगा था. चार्ट्स तो आप लोगों के मेरे पास हैं ही. एक बार फिर से इवेंट भेज देना जिसके इसके चार्ट है मेरे पास, तो मुझे ज्यादा ढूंढा ढांडी नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. और यहाँ चैट बॉक्स में कोने में भेज देने से क्या है, मुझे इधर चैट बॉक्स दिखता रहेगा. 1 by 1 है. कोई आपसे पहले टाइप कर चुका है तो आपाधापी में ना रहे, धक्का मुक्की ना मचाए, बम कभी भी फट सकता है. ठीक है, धक्का मुक्की नहीं मचाते हुए एक जरा कोई आदमी अपना कुछ इवेंट लिखेंगे और एक क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे. इवेंट मैं प्रेडिक्ट करके दिखा दूंगा, क्वेश्चन वही बंदा करेगा अपने चार्ट पे. ठीक है, कोई और नहीं करेगा, बाकी लोग उसकी हेल्प करेंगे केवल. Let me repeat in English what I said. I said that you people should give me your chart, one event and one question. Event I will justify with the chart. Dasha I will calculate for you. Future prediction the person himself have to do. Other participants will only help. No one daring. कोई तो दो यार, ऐसे कैसे चलेगा, ऐसे नहीं चलता काम.
किस टाइप का इवेंट चाहिए?
अरे कुछ भी चलेगा.
चलो मैं ही वॉलंटियर कर देता हूँ.
बोलो अपनी बेटी का डेट ऑफ बर्थ बोलना जरा.
बेटी का
शादी का भी बोल सकते हैं. लिख के भेजना.
मैं लिख देता हूँ.
10 बहुत है कमजोर. तब तक मैं गौरव जी का चार्ट आपको, आई विल शो यू द चार्ट ऑफ गौरव जी सिंस टिल देन. गौरव जी, I will hide his birth details so that you cannot make a chart. Okay, hidden. Beautiful chart with Capricorn ascendant. I certainly like people with Capricorn ascendant too much because my mother is the one. She loves me a lot. After okay, yes. He is born in 83. Okay. Detail I have to show. I am sharing the complete second screen so that you can see every calculator, etc. Whatever I am using. Born in 89, right? Daughter was born in 2011. Oh, 19 January, 7 January. Okay. 2011 minus 1983. 28 by. He was what? 28. Now, which house should be activated first? I told you to come with copies, right? Because I certainly remember it. It is a movable ascendant. Direct or reverse it will go. Female sign, he will go reverse. 0 to 10.
Sir, South chart, sir.
Yes. How can I forget you, that this year very close to my heart? Yeah, 28 years of age. Lagna 0 to 10. 12th house 10 to 12. 10 to 20. 11th house 20 to 30. Between this period, he got a child. Is it clear in the chart? how he get a child? Eh? Fifth Lord is there, direct, सीधा से take. Sorry, Jupiter, the Karaka for children is sitting there, right? Directly. Yeah. But it is Scorpio. So it is Scorpio. And the tendencies of Scorpio are quite evident in the child, right? I will not tell too much about it, but the Scorpio is evident. अरे सबने चाइल्ड बर्थ भेजा है क्या? अरे अलग अलग एग्जांपल भेजो ना भाई. चाइल्ड बर्थ भेजो, कोई शादी वादी भेजो भाई, एक ही इवेंट करवाओ.
चलो शादी का भेजता हूँ और एक और इवेंट भेजता हूँ.
मैं बाकी और सबको कह रहा था, आपको एक ही आप क्वेश्चन भेजो तो अपना क्वेश्चन
अभी भेजता हूँ.
तो या now divide Antardasha, that is the game. See, Mahadasha Rashi तो I can anytime justify na. You people also can. Antardasha is to be justified. In Kendras there are 3 planets: Moon, Mars, Jupiter. First Jupiter will come because 7th is empty. Then Moon, Mars will come. In Moon, Mars, I am not deciding which one is stronger, as it will only make 3 years, right? So 21, 22, 23. That I don't have to take. I have to take the 28. How I am calculating the Dasha Antardasha, any problem, just stop me then and there and ask. Because you don't know from which chart I tell you to calculate. Right? So,
Kindly, can you explain again?
Yes. I told that for Antardasha, we will see 1, 7, 1, 4, 10. And the planets in these houses. And the next houses for Panapara and Apoklima as well. The child born in the Dasha of the 11th house. Jupiter is directly situated there. So I am pretty sure that Jupiter will make the event. Now I have to take the Antardasha Lord, and one planet will come for 1 year only. And 2 planets will be empty. Mandi's position I have to take care of. I have to see always. So 7th house is empty from the 11th house, right? I am taking 11th house as the ascendant. Let me make this chart below here for your better understanding. Here we go. Because a few people certainly cannot calculate that easily. Na? So okay, I am there for support. Don't worry. Ask. So Jupiter will get 1 year, and I am not deciding between Mars and Moon because they will get one year only, and it will only be 23. I want the planet in the 28th year, right? Then the next, which planet should have the next Antardasha after Jupiter, Mars, Moon?
Mandi.
Mandi, why?
राहु और
अच्छा
राहु और मरकरी.
Rahu will have
Rahu. Then Mercury and Ketu. We have to decide between Mercury and Ketu.
We will not decide right now because it will only make 3 only 36 years it will make, right? Sorry, 26 years it will make. I have to decide
because we have started from first 7, 1, 10, 4, right? 7 is Saturn.
7, 1,
then 7, 1, 10, 4, correct?
7, 1, 4, 10.
7, 1, 4, 10. So 7 is 0, 1 is Sun and Venus.
Okay.
जुपिटर के सामने ब्लैंक है.
Of the Mahadasha, from the Rashi of the Mahadasha, I will calculate Antardasha. So take the Jupiter as the ascendant, which is below in the second chart.
Okay.
So 7th, I have to divide 10 Antardashas. First one will go to Jupiter, then Mars, Moon.
Okay, correct.
21, 23.
So first one will start from 1. So Jupiter is 1, right? So but it
No, first first Antardasha will be in the 7th house, but 7th house is empty now.
Yes, sir. So
I will
because
go
it's empty.
Sorry, बोलिए.
So 7th house empty है इसलिए हम लोगों ने जुपिटर लिया.
इसलिए हम लोग जुपिटर पे जंप कर गए बिकॉज वो हाउस एम्प्टी है. उधर प्लेनेट होता तो उस पे डिसाइड करते फिर.
Then 7 is empty and then 1 is the Jupiter, so again then 4 and 10.
Then 4 and then 10.
10 is also empty, so we'll take Moon and Mars. Between 1, that is okay. That is not a problem.
What I will do, I will first go to 7. 7 is empty. Okay.
Correct.
No problem. See, I have to have 10 Antardasha and I have all the 10 planets. Hai na? So the bargain is not on the house. The bargain is on the planet in the house. So the first one to feature will be Jupiter because 7th is empty.
So हम हाउस लॉर्ड नहीं लेते इसमें.
हाउस लॉर्ड मिलेंगे.
ओके, मतलब जैसे अगर टॉरस है तो वीनस नहीं देखेंगे हम.
नहीं देखेंगे. वो सिर्फ एनालिसिस में अगर एनालिसिस करना होगा तो हाउस लॉर्ड को थोड़ा सा ले लेंगे. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में हाउस लॉर्ड को नहीं लेंगे.
ओके सर.
इट इज लाइक कि वो गेम होता है ना जिसमें वो हाथ में से कुछ पकड़ाते हैं सामने वाले को. क्या खो खो क्या कहते हैं उसको. तो दशा वर्क्स लाइक दैट. अभी सामने कोई बैठा नहीं है तो उसको कैसे वो नहीं पकड़ा पाएगा ना करके. इट इज लाइक कबड्डी. वो हैंड इज नॉट देयर, इट विल नॉट ट्रांसफर.
एक मिनट, सॉरी, मे बी फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन हम शायद स्क्वायर 1 पे चले जाएं. सॉरी फॉर दैट. कि हम जुपिटर को असेंडेंट क्यों बना रहे हैं.
हमने क्या किया, हमने देखा कि दिस इज अ फीमेल मूवेबल असेंडेंट.
10th house, correct.
Dasha will go from 10 years each house. Lagna 12th 11th. Lagna 0 to 10.
हाँ जी.
12th house 10 to 20.
Correct.
3rd house 20 to 30.
Okay.
Your child was born in your 28th year.
Correct. 3rd house.
So 3rd house in the reverse order because it is a female ascendant.
Exactly.
Capricorn is a female ascendant. You are accommodating, loving person. That is general prediction.
Fortunately.
शुभम जी, मूवेबल साइन को डायरेक्ट जाएगा.
हाँ, मूवेबल साइन डायरेक्ट रिवर्स.
तो ये कैप्रिकॉर्न को हम डायरेक्ट नहीं लेंगे क्या, मतलब
डायरेक्ट मींस वन आफ्टर अनदर. रोटेशन सीधा रहेगा उल्टा रहेगा वो डिपेंड करेगा साइन के मेल फीमेल होने पे. आई विल रिपीट इट. फॉर अ मूवेबल साइन इट विल गो वन आफ्टर अनदर इन द डायरेक्ट ऑर्डर और रिवर्स ऑर्डर. डायरेक्ट फॉर एन ऑड साइन, reverse for an even sign. The point one.
Okay.
For a fixed sign, it will jump to the 6th sign. Jump to the 6th sign, either in direct order or in reverse order, based on the male sign or female sign. For a dual sign, it will jump to 159 or 591, depending on it is a male sign or a female sign. So direct reverse, jump to the 6th and jump to the trines is the 3 concept for 3 different ascendants. Right? This is what I told you to write in the starting because I know you will confuse right here. Thing is very easy. Thing is very easy. I will not say it is difficult. It is very easy. Just a small basic is what you have to remember. And this small basic is there with everything in Gemini. Arudha Lagna and Aquarius. Venus exalted in the 6th house. I will say Venus is exalted in the 2nd house. You will say 6th house, I will say 2nd house. And then we both will fight. बाल पकड़े खींचेंगे सर. आए नहीं तो गलत है तो गलत है. अरे you see the result yourself ना. In Phalratramala, Krishna Mishra is very clear. Clear cut. Have this thing in mind. Whenever you do Gemini, this thing should be in back of your mind. Houses will entirely change. That's why I told you in Tajik as well ना. First house के बाद second house आता है. ये सिर्फ पराशर में आता है और कहीं नहीं आता. Other people count it differently. Bisection, intersection is there in geometry, right? Refraction of light. So, Jupiter 21, Mars 22, Moon 23, Rahu 24, Mercury 25, Ketu 26, 27 empty, 28 will either go Venus or Sun. Which one is stronger, Venus or Sun?
सर अंतर्दशा एक बार वापस बताइए.
मैं एक बार फिर से कर देता हूँ. The order of according to Bhrigu Jyotish is what was the shloka Samanji? कंटक केंद्र चतुष्टय संज्ञा सप्तम लग्न चतुर्थक भानम Ishu lagna कीट नराम को चिरापस्य. The Kendra order is 1 sorry, 7, 1, 4, 10. So we will look at houses in this order only, 7, 1, 4, 10. Once the Kendra is over, then we will go to Panafar. Panafar is next from Kendra. So next from the first Kendra will be 6. Next from the first Kendra will be 8.
8.
Next from the second Kendra will be 2. Next from the third Kendra will be 5. Next from the fourth Kendra will be 11, right? I am going with the same order, 7, 1, 4, 10, 7, 1, 4, 10. Next to the first Kendra is what is done. So Jupiter 21, Mars 22, Moon 23, Rahu 24, Ketu 25, Mercury 26. Sorry, yeah. Now Venus 27, Sun 28. The child was born in 7th January 2011. His birthday is on January 19th. Birth should be taken in 2010. Because his birthday was not complete then. I cannot take 11. His 11 starts from 19th January, not from 1st January. 2010 minus 1983, 27. Which planet comes at 27 years of age? Venus, as I told you just now. Does Venus indicate children? See the chart above. This below chart is just for your reference for Dasha. See, this is the original chart. Do you see Venus giving him a child?
Fifth Lord, yeah.
Venus is the 5th lord, right?
Sir, how we can decide, how we will decide Venus and Sun, between Venus and Sun?
Yes. The stronger one should come first. So who is in the friendly sign?
Venus.
Venus.
Sun is in an enemy sign. Na? He will not get power.
Right.
Strength is very easy. Na? Exaltation, Mula Trikona, own Rashi, friendly Rashi, neutral Rashi, enemy Rashi, combustion, debilitation. The simple processes there. In whole of Jyotish, only one strength is used. Sthana Bala is what it is called. Very clear, very simple, clear cut. No problem at all.
No.
Anyway, this is what I teach. Very simple Jyotish. Just a few things you have to.
And Venus degree is also more.
Venus is also more in degrees, yes.
But more degree is less powerful. Less degree is more powerful, isn't it?
That is also true. Let me stick to what I told you. This is what Avilasha ji and Sumit ji constantly keep on telling in the group. No, let me focus on what I talk about. Right? Let me not focus on what someone else wrote in his book in 2008. You are probably not learning with that teacher. I am here. Whatever I say, take that thing. What will happen? Na? In this chart, it will work. In 2 more charts, it will work. Then it will be into your mind. And in the 3rd chart, you will fail. Because it will not work then. I am a very simple guy. I never say no. I leave it on your discrimination. Isliye I never talk. I will message these 2 people. Please write it on my behalf, but I will not write myself. Why I don't write? For this simple reason. For your betterment, they are advising you. Let me follow what Shubham is saying, right? Actually,
so finally, for selection of a planet strength, which one is stronger? We have all these criteria, basic criteria: exaltation, debilitation, mul trikon,
yes.
friendly, enemy, neutral. That's it.
Yes. If both
Whatever
of them are in a friendly sign, etc., then use the sun order that I told in the starting. If it was Mercury plus Venus, then both of them are friend. Both of them in the friendly sign. What I will do? I will use that criteria then.
Just who is in the next tattva will be friendly.
If both of them have the same thing, both of them can be in a friendly sign. That can also happen. Both of them can be in combustion.
Correct.
सूर्य 4 मिनट को कंबस्ट कर देगा मर्जी सूर्य का. Right. So भैया, predict the event when second child. Who will come to predict what is his age right now? 2020 minus 1983. It is now 37. 0 to 10, 20, 30, 40. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rahu is now activated. So, who will come and tell me a result that Rahu gave him this year or is going to give him? Let me tell you something. Rahu will come 12 times in horoscope. Let me see Rahu with reference to the ascendant as well as the reference to the Dasha Rashi. That is what I did with this as well. Venus and Sun is in the third from Jupiter, indicates valor of producing a child. Otherwise, fifth house can also indicate many more things. If it was in the ninth house, I will say it is education. If it is in the second house, I will rather say it is Dhana Yoga. If it is in the fourth house, I will rather say it is a purchase of a new property. So let me see the planets from both the places, from the Dasha Rashi as well as from the ascendant. The general basic analysis criteria. He is also worried about when he should have a second child. But let me not take you to that level because people cannot calculate the Dasha mentally. So someone should come and volunteer and say what is happening in his life because of this Rahu. What is going to happen? Father.
Higher education.
Right, Shanoni?
Father, struggle with the boss, fight with the boss.
अरे नहीं अरे इनकी बात की yes or no बोलो रे खाली ना family वो तो don't sense. Anything happened with your father?
No, nothing.
Not yet is the
Sir, any spiritual learning which is 9th house.
ज्योतिष में जो भी बैठा है सब spiritual learning ही सपना लेके बैठा है.
Then regarding job, as to Lagna, 6th house, something.
घर से दूर गए कहीं अब्रॉड या बहुत दूर
Foreign travel.
In this year.
ये बंदा दिल्ली में था या चंडीगढ़ चला गया घर ये चला गया निकला नहीं गया गौरव भाई क्या पिछले साल ही मिले थे दिसंबर में क्या
हाँ बिल्कुल जनवरी में चला गया था फरवरी में I was at home.
I think around my birthday when I came from Vaishno Devi we met प्रसाद देने आपको
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
The last time we sat together right. So he went back to Chandigarh. He was having a job in Delhi by then. Not in Delhi, in Noida. So Noida is his pass by.
Noida.
We sat and discussed astrology long hours in the night. Such a beautiful. रात को 3 बजे दोनों जाते थे ढूंढने की कहाँ मिल रहा है खाना.
Correct. बिल्कुल.
ये नाभा कहाँ था शुभम जी?
सर कोई इनहेरिटेंस रिलेटेड गिविंग टू है?
नहीं हुआ मैम.
नाभा is near चंडीगढ़ है ना गौरव जी?
Near Patiala.
Near Patiala.
Just 25 kilometers.
सर कोई लोन लिया है?
नहीं.
सर वाइफ की तबीयत मतलब
She's fine. कुछ भी नहीं ऐसा कोई मतलब नॉर्मल बुखार अलग बात है बट वो भी नहीं अभी हुआ खैर.
अभी साल में 2 बार खांसी नहीं होगी तो लगेगा मरी गया है आदमी क्या साल में होनी चाहिए आदमी को.
ब्रदर इन लॉ से फाइट या कुछ प्रॉब्लम ब्रदर इन लॉ को?
सॉरी
ब्रदर इन लॉ से कुछ प्रॉब्लम या ब्रदर इन लॉ को कोई प्रॉब्लम?
मेरा ब्रदर इन लॉ नहीं है.
कुछ नया एस्ट्रोलॉजिकली कुछ स्टडी शुरू किया होगा?
एस्ट्रोलॉजी तो नया
कुछ नया मतलब शुरू किया होगा?
नहीं अभी प्लानिंग ही कर रहा हूँ.
पिछले साल मेरे कोर्स में था इस साल तो कोर्स में एडमिशन भी नहीं ले रहा. हिज ससुर जी इज एस्ट्रोलॉजर हिमसेल्फ. वो भी आईकास चंडीगढ़ का हेड रह चुका है एक टाइम में तो क्या ही ज्योतिष में कुछ करने वाला है आदमी.
आपको कहीं फॉरेन से कुछ लाभ वगैरह मिला हो?
नहीं रादर मेरे 2 टूर थे जॉब के लिए वो कैंसिल हो गए ड्यू टू कोविड.
Any major fight event while traveling?
No traveling happened because COVID था तो घर में ही बैठे थे कुछ.
12th house में डिस्पोजिटर है so regarding 12th house anything?
12th हाउस हमारे को मोस्टली हॉस्पिटल डिस करता है या यही करता है। हॉस्पिटल का तो चक्कर नहीं लगा कोई भी, परफेक्टली एट होम फ्रॉम जनवरी।
Like after 19th January is New Year started, na bhai? But days on 19th January is New Year started after 19th January. Me and he met on 10th January 11th.
बिल्कुल।
के लिए राहु should behave like Mercury.
Prediction में Rahu should be like Mercury. Yes, it's very good, yeah, right.
Any reverse of major incident, any reverse of disease.
नहीं, मैंने बोला जॉब का मेरा कुछ हुआ था लास्ट मंथ, बट इट गॉट कैंसल्ड। जॉब मेरी 2 अच्छी पोजीशंस की थी, अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट थे इंडिया के, वो कैंसिल हो गए बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड। गवर्नमेंट के पास ही प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, देन व्हाई दे विल हायर मी।
सर आगे हो जाएगा ना, अभी तो टाइम है, जनवरी 19th।
मैं बड़ा छोटा हुआ करता था, मेरा कभी प्रेडिक्शन ऊपर नीचे जाता था, कहता था होगा, you don't worry, you just give money, it will happen, it will. Let me know.
आपको कोई नए गुरु मिले या ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
नहीं
टीचर
नहीं, बट ये है कि हम
पुराना वाला छोड़ेगा तब तो
नथिंग, नो मनी इंसिडेंट।
I तो
पैसे को
keep
लेकर
on
तो कोई
giving him
प्रॉब्लम
bribe, you know, मैं उसको bribe देता था गौरव जी को, मैं बैठ के I will go to somewhere and I will like, अरे भाई प्रसाद लेने ही आ जाओ यार, उनको bribe देता थोड़ा।
आपका कोई प्रमोशन वगैरह हुआ कुछ?
मेरा लास्ट डे ऑफ जॉब वाज 31st ऑफ जनवरी। उसके बाद मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मेरा गुजरात प्रोजेक्ट के लिए था, एक हैदराबाद के सिक्योरिटी एयरपोर्ट सिक्योरिटी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए था। आई वाज बीइंग सिलेक्टेड बट नाउ इट इज इन होल्ड।
एक बार और होगा अभी ऐसा।
नहीं तो राहुल लाइक इट इज गोइंग फ्रॉम बेसिकली अगर इफ वी मेक सैटर्न एज अ ascendant
before Rahu, okay, let me do it. It is not 28 or what? This is which year of is 37? Let me go to 36, right? 1 2 3
sir 38th
5 6 right? Moon and Mars, which one is stronger between Moon and Mars? Decide and tell me what happened in the previous year. चलो इस साल तो आप लोगों से हो ही नहीं पा रहा। मुझे ये नहीं समझ आ रहा है कि जब आपको एक दफा बोला कि मेल्फिक उपचय में बढ़िया होता है, तो आप उसको इवेंट बोल ही क्यों रहे हो? उसको बोलो जिंदगी वैसी चल रही है जैसे चल रही थी, देयर इज नो चेंज हैपनिंग एट ऑल। अरे भैया रोज कुछ खाने को नहीं मिठाई मिलती है क्या जिंदगी में? बहुत साल तो कुछ होता ही नहीं। तो मेल्फिक इन उपचय देयर इज नो अप्स एंड डाउन्स एट ऑल, मतलब वैसा ही चल रहा है, सुनसान वीरान। आप लोग ऐसे ज्योतिष हो गए हो, कोई पूछेगा नौकरी क्यों लगेगी, यू विल से अगले हफ्ते। अरे 5 साल घर में बैठने के कॉम्बिनेशन ये पता है क्या? Sometimes nothing happens, and that is the problem, that nothing is happening. Sometimes it happens or not, that nothing happens, and the problem is that nothing is happening. It is malefic in upchaya. Bad result is not going to happen. Right? The dispositor is in the 12th house with Ketu retrograde. Nothing good is happening. So no bad, no good. What should happen then?
मगर वो अब्रॉड में उनका ट्रिप होने वाला था ना,
सऊदी।
देखिए जा पाते हैं तो
नहीं, अब्रॉड में ट्रिप होने वाला था, बट ट्रांजिट के सैटर्न के वजह से अष्टम में आ गया तो ऐसा रुक गया, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं ना, मतलब
वो 3 बार ऐसा भी तो कराएगा सर।
That is also 3 बार क्या कराएंगे?
मतलब इनका वो बनेगा, फिर नहीं जाएंगे, फिर बनेगा।
हाँ,
रेट्रोग्रेशन लेंगे गैस में, रेट्रोग्रेशन।
अरे जो लेना है लीजिए, आराम से खुशी खुशी जो लेना है, व्हाटएवर।
नहीं वो मेन तो फॉरेन ट्रैवल का ही नजर आ रहा था और कुछ नहीं।
तो हो जाएगा ना, और अभी टाइम है ना।
नहीं एक सेकंड, मून
हाँ,
मार्स
हो जाएगा ना।
मून मार्स से प्रेडिक्ट करना पिछले 2 साल में बंदे के साथ क्या हुआ। डू दिस, हो जाएगा वाले सब इसमें उत्तर देंगे मेरे को, पिछले 2 साल में क्या हुआ। लिव इट। What happened in the previous 2 years?
मदर की हेल्थ इश्यूज कुछ
बताओ भाई, आंसर दे लो।
नहीं
वाइफ के
ना,
घर पे कोई मेजर गैदरिंग फंक्शन एनीथिंग?
नहीं पिछले 2 साल में नहीं, कुछ नहीं ऐसा।
व्हीकल परचेज
और एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू प्रॉपर्टी।
हाँ, व्हीकल परचेज मोस्टली।
नो नथिंग।
कोई मैनेजरियल पोजीशन या ऐसा कुछ आया क्या आपको? मतलब
2019 में आया था अक्टूबर में
मैनेजरियल पोजीशन।
हाँ 2019 अक्टूबर।
सर आपका कोई दुश्मन हो, कोई एनिमी हो, कोई बैकबाइटर हो, उसका कुछ लॉस हुआ था?
मेरा 1 रुपया चुराने वाले का भी लॉस हो जाता है।
हॉबी ट्रांसफॉर्म।
हाँ, वो राहु इन 6th हाउस है ना?
राहु इन 6th हाउस है, उस मेरे को एनिमी की टेंशन नहीं होती है। एनिमी
that
टेंशन
is
खुद
a
अपनी ले।
that is a normal trait. We are going to predict the dasha what will happen right now. Normal trait. See, let me tell you something. I have so many enemies over there, and I cannot have an eye over everyone. Someone somewhere is going to have a loss or anything. You cannot attribute it to my horoscope. No? Try to understand. I have 24 enemies. 24 people talk behind my back. I know about only 2. So how can you certainly say? And one more thing is how you are supposed to know what happened with your enemy, right? So, isko as a, like you may not accept my view, but I am of the opinion that concrete result we should say. You know, it is like saying कि आप तो सबका बहुत भला करते हैं, आपका कोई भला नहीं करता. That is true for everyone almost in the world, right? Because every one person is having a loss one or the other time, or even at any given point of time, anyone will ask me कैसा चल रहा है, मैं तो बोलूँगा खराब ही चल रहा है, मैं थोड़ी ना कह रहा अच्छा चल रहा है. So let me not go with that. And the thing that Amit ji told that etc. is very good thing, very good point. He also confirmed that yet promotion happened. Very good to Amit ji, right? I am like very good, superb.
Some cheating in papers or some documents have been misplaced last year.
चीटिंग और डॉक्यूमेंट मिसप्लेस नहीं मैम, अभी गुम हुआ है 15 दिन से एक चीज. नो आई डोंट ओन एनी बिजनेस. I'm a job person.
Whatever your job is, like in office, some documents while traveling must have been misplaced.
No, nothing.
A break in child's education. बताओ, break in child's education हुआ क्या?
नहीं हुआ. बच्चे की एजुकेशन अब कोविड ने बंद करवाई है, बाकी तो चल रही थी.
तो दुनिया भर के बच्चे बंद हो गया क्या?
वो सबकी बंद हो
गई. Any one of you remember what I told about moon in the 5th house? Any class I told moon in the 5th house, Venus in the 5th house. I think it was in the free class itself.
So moon in 5th house is clever.
उसमें क्या बोलेंगे? आदमी कल तक बड़ा बुद्धू था, अचानक से ज्ञान का उदय हो गया उसको 1 साल में. Let me think what we are going to tell to the client. Sir, you became clever. बोलो एक परसों तुम्हें बुद्धू था क्या जी? वो वही बात है ना, बीवी बोला आज तुम बड़ी सुंदर लग रही हो क्या? कल नहीं लग रही थी क्या? रोजे लगती हुई है ना. तो it is like, you know, you became brave. तो कल तक पट्टू था क्या वो? भाई let me think once ना what we are going to tell. ये blank अंधा घूम ये होगा नहीं तो 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 ये होगा. 6-7 प्रेडिक्शन धप्पा धप बैक टू बैक. बंदा फुल कंफ्यूज. किसको ब्रेक इन एजुकेशन बोल रहा है वो, उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा मेरा एजुकेशन का ब्रेक की मेरी बीवी का की मेरी माँ का की मेरे बाप का. बंदे बोल देगा यस सर. अरे भैया, I will stop recording it. I will tell the suspense in that. The moon Mars in the 5th house. Mind it. And I will tell you something. And then after all the recordings are closed, if Gauravji permits me in between, that you can tell this. And if Gauravji permits.
Haji, please go ahead.
In the end, not in recording. In the end.
अच्छा.
Recording कल को कौन purchase कर ले? And the guy called me in the December, and I told him, भैया no chance. याद है वो एक सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में आप बता रहे थे उस दिन क्या बात हो रही थी हमारी? जनवरी ट्रांजिट
कुंडली चक्र.
इसी बारे में बात हो रही थी अपनी, याद है? रिमेम्बर?
बिल्कुल. रात को 11:30 बजे.
अगर कोई हो तो भाई देख लेना. And I told you कि यार कुछ होने का चांस नहीं लगता. अगर मुझे चांस लगता तो मैं नहीं था. Why I told that the chance is not there. You come in mind. लगे रहें. अंत में जवाब मिलेगा, सस्पेंस मिलेगा. That's why I was like Gaurav ji should give. Okay. Next chart was which one? Manish ji. Oh, son, child. Hello, well, I will calculate the Dashantar Dasha for you. A child born in 2019 June. He is born in November, so we should take it as 2019-18 minus 82. It was 36. But tell me the progression first. कैसे जाएगा चार्ट? How Dasha will progress?
Direct.
Okay. It will come to the fourth house. Up to 10 in the ascendant, up to 20 in the second house, up to 30 in the third house, up to 40 in the fourth house. Age was 36.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let me. Which Antardasha? The age was what? 36. Remember it, right? If I forget. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of them. One of them. Which one? Who is the strongest one here? Sun. Friendly sign. Okay. Who is the second strongest one? The last one will have the place, right? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the last one will have the place. Sun is the strongest one, friendly sign. Mercury is also in a friendly sign. Friendly tattva technically. No, not friendly tattva, sorry. Venus is in the friendly tattva. Mercury should come in that, right? Mercury should come in that. So Mercury gives him child. Capricorn gives him child. Why? For what reason? First of all, why Capricorn gives him a child? The chart is above. Who is the fifth lord?
Saturn.
Who is the lord of Capricorn?
Saturn.
Saturn, na?
Saturn.
That is okay, that is fine. What about Mercury?
फैमिली फैमिली इसमें बोलते हैं ना सेकंड हाउस
किसका? Second house is family for whom? Your or your father's?
नो फॉर फादर
our family. कुटुंब घर है ना. Second is कुटुंब house. हमारी फैमिली की बात है.
आपका भाई तीसरे घर में आया. आपका परिवार, आपका भाई ज्यादा बड़ा है कि आपकी पहले भाई पैदा हुआ कि पहले शादी हुआ? What happened was?
Obviously पहले तो भाई होगा फिर शादी होगी.
That is the home you are born in. The home that you will make is the fourth house. That I will make is the fourth house. The home I am born in is the second house. That's why it is kutumba. Kutumba is what? My relatives. They are connected to my father, not to me. My kutumba, my cousin, is the son of my father's brother. वरना cousin का क्या है? Second is the father's family. Fourth is my family, my home.
एक डाउट है सर, महादशा हम लोगों ने कैसे दिया इसमें? मतलब 36 एज देखना है तो हम लोग सैजिटेरियस पकड़ेंगे क्या? मतलब
0 to 10 ascendant में.
हाँ.
10 to 20 यहाँ पे.
अच्छा.
सेकंड हाउस में. 20 to 30 और 36 वाला 6 उसमें आगे वाले में जाए.
हाँ जी.
भाई वाई मरकरी.
तो 37 होएगा ना.
नवंबर में बॉर्न हुआ है ना. आप नवंबर में बॉर्न हुए. आपका बच्चा जो है जून में बॉर्न हुआ.
हाँ तो 36 तो सर 2018 में कंप्लीट हो गया ना. 19 में बॉर्न हुआ है.
तो आपका ग्रेगोरियन कैलेंडर से हुआ ना. हमारे पास तो जब बच्चा पैदा होता है तो हम उसको 0.1 पे लेके चलते हैं ना. माइनस में 1 साल लेके चलते हैं हमेशा. We always keep it astrologically, we keep it -1. Always -1 हमेशा रहता है एज के फैक्टर में.
सर 36 एज के अकॉर्डिंग तो सैटर्न नहीं आना चाहिए
सर. मरकुरी 5th लॉर्ड के साथ में है.
कन्फरा में आएगा ना सर 8521 वाला, तो सैटर्न आना चाहिए.
सॉरी सर, मरकुरी एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है अपना वो प्रोग्रेशन ईयर में 5th हाउस को एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है.
वो तो ठीक है. पूजा मैडम समझाइए जरा सैटर्न कैसे आना चाहिए.
सर मैंने देखा 7 1 4 10 देखना है पहले. तो 7th में राहु आया, फर्स्ट के अंदर केतु मून और मार्स आया वन में।
सेवंथ में राहु कहाँ से आया?
सेजिटेरियस हमारा वो है ना।
नहीं कैप्रिकॉन है ना, नीचे वाला चार्ट कैप्रिकॉन पे है ना। वो सेजिटेरियस मृदुला जी ने पूछा था आंसर के लिए, ठीक। जो सेकंड चार्ट है बीच में, वहां पे लग्न में जो राशि है वो दशा है।
हाँ जी
सर।
अच्छा कैप्रिकॉन हमने लिया। ओके
सर दशा में 5th हाउस लॉर्ड वीनस है जो उसके साथ है मरकरी के।
That is a good point. That is a very good point. A very good point. Quite valid point. That is okay. That is good. Anything else? Vasan ji ka his point of progression is very good. The point related to progression is very good.
11th house itself is a doesn't it shows an expansion, increase,
11th house
gains?
Yes.
Also aspecting the 5th house.
Who aspecting the 5th house?
Mercury.
From the dasha. Right?
Sir, Mercury is the 9th lord from Dasha sign.
Yes.
Indicating fatherhood.
9th lord from the dasha sign.
Even from Lagna also Mercury is 9th lord.
Yes, even from the Lagna also Mercury is the 9th lord.
But Mercury is not good in Scorpio, na? तो उसको
That's the point that I am not accepting your conclusions.
Okay.
First of all, his dispositor he is with the dispositor of the Saturn, the 5th lord, who is also the dasha lord, by the way. There's the first point that you should see in the chart. Secondly, Mercury is in Cancer Navamsha. Cancer indicates parents. मदर फादर। अब ये तो मनीष जी तो माँ बनेंगे नहीं, तो ममता का उदय होगा करके, है ना। माँ कैसे बनेंगे मनीष जी? ना बन तो सकते नहीं। All just from my side, but let me tell you a technique here. I will call it Graha Chakra. I will use it in every dasha. I taught rule of 4, I think 1-2 months ago. What do we do? There is an order of planet based on weekday. The same order we are following. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It starts from Sunday, always remember it. And after Saturday, there should be Rahu Day, Ketu Day, and Hulika Day. This is the another thing that Premnidhi Pandit and Nilkant will take. So, the Dasha Lord is Saturn. So, let me make Saturday as the first day. Then who will be the Lord of the 5th day? Calculate it on your fingers and tell me the answer.
Mercury.
Saturday is the first day, then Rahu Day, Saturday, Rahu Day,
Ketu Day,
Mandi Day,
then Mandi Day, then Sunday.
Sun Day. Sun indicates father, right?
Yes.
Always keep it in mind. Huh? Weekday order, the Dasha, the Antar Dasha Lord should match the weekday order. How will be Sun Antar Dasha and the Venus Mahadasha? It indicates loss of power. Do you know? Rachel will say loss of power. Sun Venus Dasha, Sun Antar Dasha, loss of power. Why? Because Sun starts behaving like Saturn. Sun starts behaving like Saturn. The second from Venus will be Saturn. मैंने शुरुआत में बोला था कि देखो जो अपने आप को इंटेलिजेंट समझ रहे हैं सारे बंदे थोड़ा सा झटका उटका देंगे आज आपको 30-40 वोल्ट का अच्छा सा छोटा हल्का पतला।
अरे वीनस सन एप्लीकेबल तो नहीं हो रहा ना?
वीनस सन क्या नहीं हो रहा?
मेरे चार्ट में एप्लीकेबल तो नहीं हो रहा अभी।
क्या एप्लीकेबल नहीं हो रहा?
अब लॉस ऑफ पावर बोल रहा हूँ ना मैं, इसके लिए बोला।
नहीं नहीं, that was an example कि वीनस दशा में उसका अंतरदशा होगा. तो right now it is a simple case that it is Saturn dasha. The antardasha is the fifth one. So the fifth one will be Sun. From Saturn, the fifth one have to be Sun. For this particular reason, है ना? Saturday, Rahu day, Ketu day, Monday day, Sunday. It should be Sun. What does the Sun indicate here? That we should see. What does the Sun indicate in the chart? Sun is literally the karaka for father, by the way.
नेचुरल फिफ्थ हाउस का लॉर्ड भी
नेचुरल फिफ्थ हाउस का लॉर्ड भी, वो बात भी कह सकते हैं आप लोग. दैट इज आल्सो फाइन, है ना? दैट इज आल्सो फाइन. I will keep on adding one more rule with every example chart, so that your mind get a blast in the end, and then I can sell the course easily, है ना? That's why I told you, know, what I am teaching in Bhrigu is what no one can teach you in the market. What is the event, Deepak ji? Have you given me the event? These are good details, I think.
First job.
First job. Chart I must be having.
After college, na first job.
Age was 2000. It was which month? July. It should be 2000. It should be taken as minus 78. Oh, 22. कच्ची जवानी की उम्र. Do the progression first. अच्छा, whenever you have to check when the person will get the first job, I have a very simple formula. Natural fructification age of the ninth lord is when the person will have job. Ninth lord Sun will get activated at the age of 22-23. My ninth lord is Venus. Venus gets activated at the age of 18. My first job was at 19. Sure formula. Put out same time. 50 on those people who have Saturn as the ninth lord. Their job starts very late. They have to work in some companies as, you know, voluntarily here and there, have to go here and there, and then the job will come. Of course, not in 45, but the direction for the profession will come very late. The first job you did, not satisfied, like that, the scenario will happen, but leave it, do the progression. 0 to 10 in the ascendant.
Yes.
10 to 20 in the fifth house. 20 to 30 in the ninth house, Leo. The second, it was 22, 21 will be Sun, 22 will be Saturn. So do you think Saturn is related to profession? Which house I just took for profession? Ninth house. The ninth house indicates what? Start of the Raja Yoga. Your Raja Yoga always starts with the job. फिर फैमिली में आप राजा होने लगते हो ना, अभी से पहले तो बाप डांटता है पकड़ पकड़ के, कुछ नहीं करता, घर पे रहता है तू. After the job, the scenario changes, right? So that Saturn is also the karaka for the profession, etc., etc. What was your first job, Deepak ji?
मेरी जॉब थी अपना स्वराज मजदा एलसीवी बनाती है कंपनी, इंजीनियरिंग जॉब, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग.
And you are into a government job right now?
नहीं गवर्नमेंट में नहीं हूँ मैं, शुरू से प्राइवेट में ही हूँ.
अच्छा, तो सेकंड जॉब
क्या? वो अर्ध सरकारी कह सकते हो उसको. उस टाइम उसका माहौल ऐसा ही था, कंपनी का सरकारी टाइप.
अर्ध सरकारी टाइप, गवर्नमेंट
वो सरकारी. अब ऐसे ही जाओ 8 से 5 वाला डब्बा लेके जाने वाली बात थी.
अच्छा. दूसरी जॉब कौन सी थी?
दूसरी जॉब थी मेरी, वो प्योर प्राइवेट थी, गुजरात में.
तीसरी जॉब?
तीसरी जॉब भोपाल में. चौथी जॉब वापस ये पांचवी जॉब है भोपाल में, सेम कंपनी में. फोर्थ जॉब थी चंडीगढ़ में. 2 चंडीगढ़ में जॉब्स रही हैं, एक गुजरात में और 2 भोपाल में.
ये चौथा जॉब?
हाँ, ये 5वां जॉब है.
5वां जॉब. Saturn is retrograde. So multiplied by 3 we have to do always. Plus 1 for the aspect of Sun.
पहले 10 साल मेरी फिक्स रही है जॉब. फर्स्ट 10 years 1 जॉब ओनली. उसके बाद एवरी 2 years, 1.5 year, 3.5 year
No
job change.
fixation is because of the aspect of sun over his own house, own Rashi technically. Understanding it well. So when I am daring enough to name something as Shubham Alock Dasha, आप मेरे को सवाल पूछ सकते हो ना कल आकर के सर काम नहीं करता क्या? I will be liable.
पूरा काम कर रहा है ये।
इसमें महादशा जैसे हमने देखी पहले ऑड साइन है तो डायरेक्ट चलेगा और उसके बाद क्योंकि ये डुअल साइन है तो 159 ऐसे चलेगा ट्राइन का। तो फर्स्ट एरीज नहीं होना चाहिए।
9 ही आएगा ना फर्स्ट तो सजिटेरियस ही आएगा।
फर्स्ट एसेंडेंट होगा ना, एसेंडेंट विल बी द फर्स्ट ऑलवेज।
ओके फर्स्ट हाउस देख रहे हैं हम 915 तो 9 होना चाहिए ना, फिर हमने 5 कैसे लिया है?
22 साल की उम्र में नौकरी लगी ना तो 9 will be 0 to 10, 5 will be 10 to 20,
ओके
9 will be 20 to 30, you got a job at 22। शुरुआत के 10 साल में बच्चे नौकरी करेंगे भाई, भगवान ना करे किसी को चाइल्ड लेबर करना पड़े।
ओके इट मींस फर्स्ट 9th के अंदर फर्स्ट 10 इयर्स आए और देन एरीज में नेक्स्ट 10 इयर्स और फिर 22 आपका लियो में आ गया।
लियो में आएगा, यस यस।
थैंक यू।
Okay, fine, good. Next chart, I will take all the examples.
शुभम जी।
हाँ जी।
आंशा कौन सा यूज कर रहे हो इसमें आप?
आंशा मैं पिछले 10 साल से चंद्रहरि ही इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ, कभी नहीं बदल रहा।
सही है।
I have been testing it since long time, but reveal अभी किया है जा करके, थोड़ा अपना टेस्टिंग में मजा सा वो आ गया ना करके, तो अच्छा रहा। इनामशा बाय डिफॉल्ट इज चंद्रहरि। कभी किसी वीडियो में कभी चेंज किया, वैसे चेंज करने की कोई रीजन नहीं होगी, फिर भी अगर कभी चेंज किया तो हैव टू मेक अ फॉर्मल अनाउंसमेंट। सिंस देन जब से पढ़ाना शुरू किया चंद्रहरि ही, I found it giving better results.
Okay, right.
अच्छा जी, तो ही 9 April 2020 job event. Very good. You should not tell us the nature of the event. These people will tell. This is what I wanted. 2020 August, April. You are born in January. Oh, January वाले बड़े अच्छे लोग होते हैं भाई। क्यों अच्छे लोग होते हैं बताइए?
तो जनवरी में पैदा हुआ हूँ इसलिए।
सन सजिटेरियस में रहता है भाई। देखो धार्मिक राशि में सूर्य रहने से आत्मा है तो भगवान की प्राप्ति की ओर बढ़ जाती है ना करके, और हमारा पैदा होना तो अलग ही बात है, वो अलग ही बात है, तो ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट। राइट, 48। टेल मी द प्रोग्रेशन।
डेट ऑफ इवेंट क्या दिया इन्होंने?
इन्होंने इवेंट दिया है जॉब इवेंट।
नहीं टाइमिंग का बता रहे।
9 अप्रैल 2020। इनका बर्थडे हो गया जनवरी को। We are just taking April. Just taking it as 2020 only because his year started on 21st January itself. So the Dasha will be of which sign and the Antardasha will be of which planet. You should understand the speciality of this Dasha. It is a mixture of house, Rashi and planet. It is very difficult to achieve this feat in any other Dasha. In any other Dasha, let me be very frank with you. Because you haven't learned astrology enough, when you will learn enough, you will find that it is very difficult to achieve this feat.
The first Dasha will be of this Libra, 7th.
And it was 48 years, 0 to 10, Lagna, 10 to 20, 12th house, 20 to 30, 11th house.
30, 40, 48, sorry. 48. Then it's 9th house. That means it's a 6th.
Now
Gemini.
2 to 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, Venus. Venus is activated. Now a new tip for the new chart. Whichever planet gets activated, see him as he is placed in the Dasha Rashi. Rule is applicable for every. Whatever tip I am giving you here is applicable for all Dasha. Vimshotri, Astotri, Shodashotri, Charadasha, Narayan Dasha, Sulu Dasha, Pulu Dasha, Mulu Dasha, whatever Dasha. Right? Agni Dasha, Patak Dasha, Yogini Dasha, every Dasha is applicable.
Can you just repeat that?
Treat the planet as being situated in the Dasha Rashi. So we should treat Venus as situated in Virgo. Or in the previous chart, for Mr. Saluja, we should check as Saturn is situated in 9th house. So it was actually in the 9th house. There is nothing to suppose. So that's why the Rashi result of Saturn was coming. And he was in Leo. So it was a semi-government company. If not semi-government, then still a company having influence in the sector in which he deals. आप दो प्रकार की कंपनी में काम कर सकते हैं, एक तो बजाज में, तो बजाज का इन्फ्लुएंस है, या दूसरा कोई छोटा मोटा टुच्चू कंपनी में. Influential company is what I will rather say. Na? That is how the thing will become evident. Good. So what was the nature of the event? I'm not predicting it because I can guess it easily, right? We talked over phone. But what do you think? What a debilitated Venus should give?
शुभम जी, वो वीनस क्यों लिया, मतलब मुझे थोड़ा बताएंगे?
मैं बताता हूँ. मून मार्स 1-2, 41 42, जुपिटर मरकरी 43 44, फिर इधर कोई है नहीं, इधर कोई है नहीं, इधर 45 46, ये 47. Okay, right. You are very right. When at 48 I should take a Saturn. Extremely sorry. 48 we should take a Saturn. It is my mistake. Extremely sorry. Saturn, yeah. Sorry. Why Saturn gave him the event? Now it will become very difficult. Because with Venus in Virgo it was easy, but that was my mistake, right? Sorry. I must have taken Saturn. So Saturn in Virgo, tell me the result. Come on. Hey.
Sir, Virgo sign is a natural 6th house as a service sign, so he can get the job, and Saturn also as a servant, so he got the job. But it is retrograde, then that is
that was my point that I was about to say. How I use the retrogression in that chart of Deepak Saluja. How I did it. I started asking, what was the first job, what was the second job, because I was pretty sure that it is not the first job that he is into. If he comes to me for a government job, I will rather say you will not get it in the first attempt. If you get it in the first attempt, you will leave it. The useless wandering is what malefic retrograde indicates. I just told it yesterday, answering the question of Arnab, right? What he should give? A job or useless wandering? What he is giving service.
I don't think so usko job milega, because if you put Saturn in ascendant as second, right? Saturn is lazy. ठीक है ना? It will not. We are putting Saturn into Lagna, which is sixth sign in second natal chart, right? So Saturn being वो तो कुछ नहीं करेगा boss. That is very clear. It's the most laziest thing. Lazy बना के रखेगा. कुछ आ गया तो ठीक है, नहीं आया it's okay. But job का यहाँ पे होना थोड़ा मुश्किल है.
Hey, Venus is 10th from Saturn.
Yes, that is good.
Sir, if we assume that Saturn is in Virgo, it will be aspecting the 10th house moment.
It will be aspecting the 10th house, right? 10th house Virgo as 10th house Gemini as well. That is fine. And we assume that is good. That is good. राशि क्लास में कौन-कौन था रे भाई?
इसमें इसको वाहन सुख नहीं देगा क्या?
It will be also the sixth lord from Virgo, which is service, which indicates service.
Chief officer.
Satish ji will tell you chief officer.
हाँ सर.
Satish ji will tell you the event first before I explain it. Hey Satish ji, what was the event in 2020 April 9th?
हाँ मुझे जॉब मिल गया था.
जॉब मिल गया था.
नया जॉब जो है, जो मैं आपको बता रहा था कि मैं घर पे बैठा हुआ था, जॉब ढूंढ रहा था, मुझे ऑफर मिल गया, अकाउंटेंट, हेड अकाउंटेंट का.
Super. So what I taught in Rashi, what I taught in day-to-day prediction class 1 and 2, that is available for free. Rashi course is purchasable, that is fine. But what I taught in day-to-day prediction 1 and 2, see which planet is exalted in the ascendant and which one is debilitated. So the 10th lord exalted in Virgo. Virgo should never give you, Virgo should give you job. Nahi. The 10th lord from Virgo is exalted in Virgo or not? Should give you job or not? That is what I taught in Rashi, and that is what I teach in Rashi. प्रेशर कुकर तो वाला नहीं.
वेद जातक में भी है सर, सैटर्न अगर उसमें लिया जाएगा तो चीफ ऑफिसर बता रहे हैं वो हेड.
यस वेद जातक में बोला है, तभी तो मैंने बोला कि रिप्लाई करेंगे सतीश जी, क्योंकि मुझे पता था वीरेंद्र जी वेद जातक पढ़ के बोल रहे हैं. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद यू.
आशीर्वाद है सर आपका. आपको
गिफ्ट भेजूंगा. वेद जातक एक स्पेशल एडिशन.
अभी तो सर समझने में टाइम लगता है ना, क्योंकि इंग्लिश, बाकी थोड़ा सा मजा आ रहा है.
एक बड़ा अच्छा एडिशन है, प्रिंट नहीं होता. आपको मैं प्रिंटर मंगा के प्रिंट आउट करके गिफ्ट करूंगा भाई.
अरे सर
हमारी तरफ से प्रेम भरा उपहार समझिए, वैलेंटाइन डे पे.
आशीर्वाद है सर. मैं तो मतलब जो आप बताते हैं उसको इसको फॉलो करता हूँ, और कुछ मतलब सोच ही नहीं रहा हूँ. जैसे बोला उस समय बोला सर, उनके चार्ट में था रेट्रो है, यानी कि वो इवेंट उनको विदेश जाने का 2-3 बार होना ही है, उसके बाद ही कुछ होगा.
I to tell you one thing. In any horoscope, if any planet is in Virgo,
सीधे लगाते रहो.
Then you see when he got a job, it will be a planet in Virgo. If person is having a planet in Virgo, then whenever he will get a job, it will be a planet in Virgo. Without any doubt.
मिलता है.
तभी तो अमृत बोला है हम लोगों ने.
वही सर.
तो लाल किताब अमृत के बाद आप लोगों को भेज जाते अमृत मिलेगा मेरी तरफ से. बुढ़ा होने के बाद जब मेरे यहाँ काल काले हो जाएंगे दोनों तरफ से. तो
ये अकाउंटेंट, चीफ अकाउंटेंट कैसे दिखाएगा, मतलब अकाउंट्स का?
मरकरी इंडिकेट्स.
जुपिटर मरकरी दे सकते हैं ना?
नहीं वो मरकरी तो
कैलकुलेशन, मैथमेटिक्स,
साइन आ रहा है, वो डायरेक्ट मरकरी नहीं आ रहा है ना.
हाँ, yes, this thing is there. So what I told in Rashi also was the Trikona sign is the birth sign of the planet. So Virgo have all the tendencies of Mercury. Gemini don't have. Gemini is half Mercury only. Virgo is full Mercury. Birth sign of Mercury है ना, तो Mercury ही Virgo से निकला है. Virgo is the mother for Mercury. मदर को तो ज्यादा वो क्वालिटी रहेगा, तभी तो कहते हैं ना कि खट्टा खाएगी तो बच्चा बहुत खराब नहीं होगा, खट्टा खट्टा बोलेगा. That is the birth sign. It have all the tendencies of Mercury, more than that even. That's why Jupiter in Virgo, Varamir will tell every bad result, but will tell he will be a mathematician. Mercury is very good with calculations actually. For that reason, one more reason you can say, calculations etc. will come from the 5th house. Saturn will be the 5th lord from Virgo, of course. For how many months the job lasted, Satish ji?
6 months में विदाउट जॉब था.
हाँ. फिर वो जॉब मिला ये वाला आपको.
हाँ, ये अभी कैसा है कि घर पे बैठ के कर रहा हूँ, मतलब 70% सैलरी मिल रही है, लेकिन घर पे बैठ के कर रहा हूँ.
70% सैलरी. Right. You got it in April 2020.
Yeah. बिकॉज ट्रेन वगैरह सब बंद है तो जा नहीं पा रहा हूँ ऑफिस.
कोरोना की वजह से.
हाँ.
Job is still going on.
हाँ या. सैलरी भी मिल रही है और जॉब भी चल रही है, ऑनलाइन काम चालू भी है सवेरे.
Now who becomes debilitated in Virgo? One becomes exalted, someone will become debilitated by
Venus.
Debilitated is Venus is the lord of
Mahadasha.
Venus is the lord of second house and ninth house.
Second ninth.
So it should also indicate that the person is getting a job but with a compromised salary as compared to the one he is getting in the previous job. Should indicate, no, because second lord is debilitated. Although, so he is giving a job, but the job comes with a compromise. Nahi? You should compromise for the job. Situation he will made so. That's why Virgo is your virginity going. अब तक घर पे बैठता था, अब कल से ऑफिस जाएगा, वर्जिनिटी जाएगी, कॉम्प्रोमाइज भी करना पड़ जाता है आदमी को.
सर एक क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पर कि वीनस इन एक्वेरियस, सो इट इज गोइंग टुवर्ड्स एक्सॉल्टेशन.
यस.
हाँ सर, सो स्टिल 70% है, मतलब
हाँ.
स्टिल बेटर है.
इसी वजह से क्या हुआ, वीनस एक्सॉल्टेशन में जा रहा है इसलिए नौकरी छूटी नहीं, वरना सैटर्न तो रेट्रोग्रेड था ही, वो तो हथियार लेकर तैयार ही बैठा है. बट जो प्लेनेट वहां नीच होता है वो थोड़ा सा बलशाली है. वो क्या है कि रोक के रखा है उसने. और सैटर्न का 20 साल का वो होता है ना महादशा, तो 20 महीने तो मिनिमम वो बचाएगा ही. तो 20 months एटलीस्ट ही विल सेव. अभी क्या मई से क्या मई जून जुलाई तो 12 13 14 15 अभी 15 महीना हुआ है, 5 महीना और ही विल सेव. The planet getting exalted or debilitated in the sign, and we will see he is approaching his exaltation or debilitation as Mridulaji did, and based on the number of years that he owns in Antardasha, for that much month he will make sure to save the result. You know when I use it to predict when you will get divorced. इतना साल ब्लॉकेज है, शुभ प्लैनेट आपका शादी को बचा तो रहा है कब तक? How many years can save? Benefic planet is saving your marriage, etc. But for how many years he can save? He cannot save for a lifetime, right? अरे बाबा, you have a very strong door and 4 people are pushing it from outside. तो दरवाजा जिंदगी भर नहीं बाहर झेल पाएगा ना. एक घंटा, 2 घंटा, 3 घंटा बाहर झेल लेगा, फिर टूटेगा. तो कब बंधन टूटेगा? अभी going through exaltation है तो it should be 20. If I have to say when the job will go, that I will only say with the appropriate combinations in Dasha Dasha, by the way. But still, if I have to say, then I will say it will go after 20 months. Or you will get a chance to change after 20 months. Anything. Any movement will happen after 20 months. This is applicable in the chart of Gaurabji. Rahu was activated. Rahu is for 18 months. 1 year is for 12 months only. Rahu is activated. In this 12 months, nothing will happen. After 18 months, the result of Rahu will start coming. In 18 months, the Rahu will go. Okay.
1.5 साल घर बिठाओगे और
भगवान न करे, रेमेडी दूंगा मैं फोन करके.
ठीक है.
अच्छा रेमेडी दूंगा, खराब रेमेडी दूंगा. एक तो 2 प्रकार का मैं रेमेडी देता हूँ, मतलब जिससे प्यार होता है उसको अच्छा वाला, जिससे नहीं प्यार होता उसको खराब रेमेडी दूंगा. मैंने कहा इसको खराब रेमेडी दो, इसको परेशान करो इसको. फिर ऐसा रेमेडी देते तो कंप्लेंट भी नहीं कर पाता दोबारा आकर के, सर आपने गलत रेमेडी दे दिया. तुझे कहीं छोड़ेंगे ही नहीं, पहले तो छोड़ूंगा तो कंप्लेंट करेगा पगले.
सही है,
रेमेडी देगा मैं, अच्छा रेमेडी दूंगा. अच्छा चलो भाई, ऐसा करते हैं. इट इज ऑलमोस्ट 1 hour 45 minutes. लेट मी डू समथिंग.
सर इसमें जो आप 41, 42, 43, 44 जो कैलकुलेशन बता रहे थे, अभी जैसे पहले आपने 7th हाउस लिया.
7th हाउस में 2 प्लैनेट 41, 42 दे दिया.
हाँ, फर्स्ट हाउस खाली है.
फर्स्ट तो एम्प्टी है, फिर 4th में गया.
4th में गया. हाँ.
43, 44.
हाँ.
10th एम्प्टी.
या 10th एम्प्टी.
फिर I will go next to the 7th empty.
8. हाँ.
फिर next to the Lagna empty. ना. Next to the Lagna empty ना.
हाँ.
Gulik is there, but we are only looking for Manti, not for Gulik. So we will only see MD, not GK. उसके बाद we will go next to Jupiter Mercury, that will be Rahu Sun. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Then next to the 10th house Ketu, 47. Then next to 7th house, then Saturn will come, that is 48. यही मिस्टेक जो है मुझे उन्होंने अमित जी ने क्लैरिफाई करके दिया कि वीनस नहीं होगा, वो अगर वीनस होता तो वीनस को वर्गों में लेने से मुझे कहना था कि नौकरी छूटी, जो कि रिजल्ट था ही नहीं।
वीनस
आफ्टर 48
वीनस, अगर वीनस भी ना होता, अगर ये भी ना होता तो भी हम थर्ड में जाते ना। मंदी इज इन थर्ड, तो 9-3।
यस यस
अगर
यस
सैटर्न में ना उठाते तो मंदी उठाते।
यस 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 वही वही उसमें थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक था जो अमित जी ने क्लियर किया। अदरवाइज अगर वीनस एक्टिवेट हुआ होता तब तक जॉब छूटी होती ना, बट ही इज सेइंग आई एम स्टिल गेटिंग 70% सैलरी। वीनस का एक्टिवेशन आ नहीं रहा है ना अभी, द डेंजर इज 1 ईयर अवे। द डेंजर विल कम आफ्टर 21 जनवरी 2021। बिफोर दैट देयर इज नो डेंजर एट ऑल, बिकॉज़ मानदी इज इन थर्ड फ्रॉम Virgo. Malefic Nupchaya is no change, life goes on। वो 70% तो दुनिया का ही कम हो गया। कोरोना तो सबके पास ही है ना, पता नहीं कौन सा चमगादड़ खा गए ये लोग। हमें तो चमगादड़ बिना खाने के मतलब बीमारी हो रही है। इनवाइट कर लेते चमगादड़ पार्टी में जाना वाले। बहरहाल, do we take one more chart or a informal session on remedies? What do you say? Because I just talked about
सर जैसे हमने अंतरदशा 1 ईयर की ली, ऐसे हम और आगे मंथ डेट तक भी जा सकते हैं प्रोग्रेशन में।
जा तो सकते हैं, लेकिन मैं एक बात जरूर कहता हूँ, मोर द फैक्टर्स मोर द कंफ्यूजन, लेस द फैक्टर्स क्लियर द प्रेडिक्शन। तो ज्यादा छोटा छोटा केक का टुकड़ा करने से किसी को चेरी नहीं मिलती, बड़ा बड़ा टुकड़ा करके ही अच्छा रहता है ना। इट इज लाइक 1 ईयर कर दो, ज्यादा प्रिसीजन में घुसना जो है सेम टेक्निक को लेकर के, राइट। डोंट try to go too in depth using one single technique only. So what I will do, I will take Mahadasha for 10 years, Antardasha for 1 year. Inside that Antardasha, I will take the transit of sun with respect to Virgo.
Okay, with respect to Antardasha.
Yes, yes. Just tell me on 26 April when he got the job, right? When 26 April लिखा था ना, क्या लिखा था? 9 April. In 9 April, sun should be in which sign? That means the 9 April sun is in which sign? April.
Pisces.
9 April sun is in Pisces. Okay. Let me go to the chart. Sun is over Mars and Moon. It indicates the event. When the event happens, when sun either transits the sign, aspects the sign, transits over the Lord, aspects the Lord, or transits the exaltation or debilitation sign of the Lord. Ye two factors are matching, sun influencing the sign and transiting the debilitation sign of the Lord. अब उसमें दिन निकालना है तो let me take the transit of moon, right? What was the date? 29/4/2020. Okay, April 9, 2020. Moon was in Libra. Do you think Libra indicates the event? Doesn't indicate the event. In which houses the transit of moon is good? Sulfa, Anafa, and Indra Kona, right? That is making Anafa clearly. Classic principles is what we always use. Nah? This is what I told you. Moon is good in 212 because you will make Sulfa and Anafa on the ascendant. Otherwise, will play good. उससे 2 दिन के भी अंदर में जाना है तो चेक हो रहा। कितने बजे जॉब मिला 9 तारीख को आपको सतीश जी? अप्रोक्सीमेट
सर मेरा जो है ये इंटरव्यू पहले 13 जो मार्च को हुआ था।
नहीं, 9 तारीख को कितने बजे आप गए? सुबह गए आप?
9 तारीख को तो सब मेरे को ज्वाइन ही करना था सवेरे।
अच्छा, इंटरव्यू कब हुआ था? मार्च को।
इंटरव्यू मार्च को हुआ था।
मार्च कितना?
मार्च शायद 13 मार्च होगा।
13 मार्च। टाइम अराउंड अप्रोक्सीमेट
टाइमिंग अराउंड मेरे को कुछ दोपहर के बाद बुलाया था, 4:30 बजे।
4:30 ले
सब
लें।
बॉस लोग बैठे हुए थे।
मुंबई में
हाँ,
इंटरव्यू दिया, मुंबई में इंटरव्यू दिया,
अंधेरी में जाके इंटरव्यू दिया था।
कहाँ पर?
अंधेरी में।
अंधेरी में, अंधेरी दे देते हैं, चलो कोई बात नहीं भाई।
मुंबई अंधेरी।
The overall load is Jupiter. Can you see Jupiter with the 10th lord? मिनट प्रेडिक्ट करने का है। सेम टेक्निक को बस मत खींचना, टेक्निक बदलते रहना, सब महीना महीना दिन वीन घंटा वंटा सब हो जाएगा। सेम टेक्निक को नहीं घसीटेंगे बस अपन लोग, है ना। 13 को एक बार ट्रांजिट देख लेते हैं फिर से। मार्च 13 सन इन एक्वेरियस, मून इन लिब्रा। Sun in Aquarius and Moon in Libra. Then should indicate the joining the new start. We are taking the Sun in the next sign only when he joined. And Moon at both the dates was in the same sign Libra, making Sunufa and form the ascendant once again. Low tide and high tide of Moon, you remember? You should. That's a very important principle for Moon related events. Let me tell you, Moon is only bad in one house, 4th house. In transit, Moon is only bad in one house, that is the 4th house. In all other houses, Moon is good. The 6, 8, 12, of course, there. Moon in transit is only bad in 4, 6, 8, 12. That's all. In all other houses, Moon is good. In 12th, I don't take him good. I don't take him bad, because he will make the Sun form the ascendant. But Moon in 4, 6, 8, only 3 houses is bad. On all other houses is good. Same is the case with Jupiter. Jupiter is bad in only 4, 7, 6, 8, and 12. Transit. So, what do you people want? One more chart or a remedy session?
Sir, one more chart.
One more chart, very good. Bharatji, Jupiter bad in 4, 7, 6, 8, 12. Arnabji, for fixed odd lagnas, the Mahadasha will go like 1st house, 6th house, 11th house, 4th house, yes. No problem, Pradeep. Mine, let me tell one thing very clearly on recording. If you bug me too much, my love and interest for anyone will go. Kya rahega? Always remember something. I have sympathy towards you, and sympathy can anytime go. I'm quite fickle with this matter. No matter how much you butter me, sympathy is the only thing that I work with. Otherwise, one person in 125 crore of the population doesn't matter, will never matter. I'm very clear. No matter how old an associate, I kicked out people associated with me for since 9 years. Let me leave our egos and treat ourselves equal. You feel yourself superior, you will know. If I call you and talk to you and say, "Oh, yaar, kaisa hai?" only then think that you are superior. Otherwise, no. Be very clear on it. If I invite you to drink a beer with me, only then you are close to me. Otherwise, you are a normal one. So let me not. Let me not. No favors for anyone. I am very simple for that. My mother is telling me since last 1 month to see her horoscope. I am not looking at it. No favors for anyone whatsoever. See, I am in a profession. Quite loyal with it. Cannot do partiality with one. Everyone is in a problem, of course. Why do you come to an astrologer? Because you're in a problem. Leave it. In this world, who is not in the problem? Out of the 38 people in the class, can you say me that you are not in the problem? Are you not in a problem? Everyone is. Who is not? I'm quite pissed off with all these habits, right? Quite pissed off. I favor you once, you take the favor twice. If I see that it is becoming a habit, it will force me to take a step back. Always keep it in mind. I'm telling it on recording, right? I talked to you very well the first time because I am a good man. But if I think that I am being misused, then remember something. And so let we be like we have to be. It is all barter. The world is all barter, right? So let me be very frank with this, without any malice to anyone. Pinaki, I want to have the chart of Pinaki ji, because it is the great Raj Yoga that you will ever see. This is the same event, Pinaki ji, which you're posting to Purulia, right? Okay. I told you I love Capricorn ascendant people. All the Capricorn ascendant are my friend, very close. My mother is 2019 November. Okay. 2019 minus 78. 41. Which house should be activated? Fourth house. Which planet? Jupiter or Sun?
जुपिटर ही आएगा.
Dragon because he is exalted. What should Jupiter indicate being exalted in the 10th house from the Dasha? Pinaki ji will tell you the result. Pinaki ji, please tell the event.
तो इवेंट मैंने लिख दिया वो it was a promotion, it was an out of turn promotion by the state government.
Out of turn?
मैंने उसने लिख दिया
good big promotion.
हाँ, out of turn because normally हाँ, it was promotion but it was an out of turn. माने it creates uproar in the police circle in West Bengal. How does state cadre officer get promotion out of turn like this?
And it is like completely like you will believe person will go one level up. It is like completely 3-4 level up. It is all Jupiter coming, right? Full Jupiter activation. Not expected. Meant for someone else. This guy is chosen. Instantly level up to 3 levels, right? Pinaki ji.
Yeah, like that.
Yes.
Actually, when I got the promotion and I changed one IPS officer. Being a state cadre officer, I changed an IPS officer. He was 8 years senior to me. It was in news channel for 2 to 3 days.
In news channel for 2 to 3 days, a normal state police person replacing an IPS.
Yeah, from state police service, changing IPS officer.
Changing IPS officer, and he's still on the position, right?
सर उसमें जेम्स है, जेम्स तो जेम्स तो फिर कोई खरीद ही नहीं सकता.
क्या है
उसमें मतलब बृहत जातक में है पॉजिटिव टू जेम्स
बृहत जातक में जुपिटर इन लिब्रा इज जेम्स. That's why Pinaki is very close to my heart. I always say I will give you a visit, I will call you. He's very close to my heart. He's a gem of a person. Exalted Jupiter, oh my God. Exalted Jupiter, combustion free. Exalted Jupiter with Sun, the best combination. Jupiter-Sun combination, the best one. I have it in my chart, and Ramdas ji never stopped praising it. He's like only one combination you need in this life, that is Jupiter-Sun. And specifically when the Jupiter-Sun not combust.
Gems only for God, sir, nahi?
Jupiter-Sun combination not combust at all. And what to say? Jupiter exalted plus Vargoptam. That's why I love Pinaki ji so much. Pinaki ji told me 2-3 times, sir, I cannot attend class. I will tell him, you call me. I will explain everything to you over call. But I don't want you to leave. Because this exalted Jupiter, you see rarely. No. Ramakrishna ji, if retro, then the result is apparent. Apparently good. Gems are only for the God.
वो डेट क्या था प्रमोशन का?
लिख करके दिया है इसमें पिनाकी जी ने, दैट डेट इज 23rd October 2019, 23rd October. And I remember it very well because on 20th there is birthday of someone who I never forget to wish. On 20th of October I am never in Delhi. Don't call me on 20th of October any night. I am not in Delhi at all. Ritual. And it was 23rd and I was not in Delhi. And he messaged me and I was like jumping all together the place.
Actually, normal when any transfer took place, it normally took around 5 to 7 days, because I was in far north in Darjeeling district.
Yes.
But there, out of turn, I was told by the district SP that DGP told you to join as soon as possible. I have to join within 3 days. Day after Diwali, I have to join.
It is a movable sign. Movable, you have to move quickly. It is gorilla attack, right? That is what I will always say. Gorilla attack. Move quick. That is what happens with. So for Deepak Saluja ji, it is in a fixed sign. So he went in the first job for 10 years. So by 10 साल कंपनी में काम करके कौन छोड़ता है जी? फिक्स्ड साइन वाला। 10 साल में तो मैं कहता हूँ काली औरत भी प्यारी लगने लग जाती है आदमी को। अरे छोड़ो यार, क्या हो गया जीवन में। चलो भाई, done for today. It is almost 2 hours and I am strictly advised by course students to not take it more than 2 hours. So we'll do some informal session now.